Hello, good morning students. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss a very interesting topic in the chapter of inflation, natural rate of unemployment and Phillips curve. Natural rate of unemployment sound अलग करता है, ये क्या है? The concept of natural rate of unemployment has been developed by Milton Friedman and other American writers like Paul Samuelson, James Tobin, etc. According to Professor Milton and others, certain amount of unemployment inevitably exists in the modern capitalist economy, generally in form of voluntary unemployment and frictional unemployment. Voluntary unemployment matlab person the job is available, but not at the condition, or a person is not satisfied with the condition or wages, so he is not accepting job. So voluntary unemployment and frictional unemployment matlab due to friction of two parties. Very simple. So certain amount of unemployment inevitably exists in the economy in modern capitalist society, about 3 to 5% of unemployment. And such a level of unemployment, labor unions are not in position to demand for higher wages for their members. Okay, why? Because supply of labor is greater than demand for labor. But due to operation of certain factors, when demand for labor increases, obviously labor increases, supply of labor also increases, supply भी बढ़ेगा, and unemployment decreases. But after certain point of time, increase in wages leads to increase in cost of production. Okay, we have discussed in the earlier video, there are four factors of production: land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. Rent, wages, interest and profit. वेजिस लेबरर्स के लिए, वर्कर्स के लिए प्राइस रिवॉर्ड है, मगर वो एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए, प्रोड्यूसर्स के लिए क्या है? वो प्राइस है. द प्राइस विच इज टू पे टू गेट सर्विसेज ऑफ लेबर. तो जितना कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन बढ़ेगा, ओके, प्राइस लेवल राइजेस. सो व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? इन्फ्लेशन अकर्स. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? ओके, due to increase in wages, cost of production increases, price level rises, and the problem of inflation occurs. So what is the conclusion of the discussion? The conclusion of the discussion is certain amount of unemployment is inevitable. अनिवार्य, अनिवार्य गुजराती में कहिए तो अनिवार्य, essential in the economy. Why? Because it is quite consistent with the concept of price stability. It is quite consistent with this concept of price stability. Okay, inevitable है. Here very important point should be noted, that complete price stability on the one hand and full employment on the other hand, these are both incompatible concept. एक और आपको फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी चाहिए, दूसरी ओर आपको प्राइस स्टेबल होना चाहिए, वो पॉसिबल नहीं है साथ में. ओके, बोथ द कॉन्सेप्ट आर इनकम्पेटेबल. ओके, गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो सर्टन अमाउंट ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट विच इज इनएविटेबल इन द इकोनॉमी to maintaining price stability, which is concerned as natural rate of unemployment. This is termed as natural rate of unemployment. So if society could tolerate that level of unemployment, problem of inflation will not be arising. Okay, अगर सोसाइटी टॉलरेट कर लेता है इतना लेवल ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, तो प्राइस इन्फ्लेशन का प्रॉब्लम अकर नहीं होगा. बट any efforts to bring down the unemployment rate below this level certainly results in inflation. Certainly results in inflation. Okay. So, what is the conclusion? Certain amount of unemployment, 3 to 5% of unemployment is inevitable in the economy for maintaining price stability, which is considered as नेचुरल रेट ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. अगर हम लोग वो टॉलरेट कर सके तो ठीक है. अगर कंट्री प्रयास करे कि अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट उससे कम होना चाहिए, country has to suffer the problem of inflation. Price will definitely rise because the concepts are incompatible. In this context, Professor A.W. Phillips published a study in 1958 and to establish the relation between unemployment and wage rates. So what he found? He found that wage rate tended to rise when unemployment was also high. Okay, unemployment जब था. Okay, so in short, Phillips curve expresses inverse relationship between unemployment and inflation. Okay, unemployment जितना ज्यादा होगा उतना inflation कम होगा. क्या? So how to express Phillips curve? So explain. We will try to understand the concept. So this is rate of unemployment in percentage. This is annual rate of price in percentage. So as we observe from diagram, the curve expresses PA curve. PA curve मतलब Phillips curve. Curve expresses inverse relationship between rate of unemployment in percentage and annual rate of prices. Listen at it well. एंड वो जीरो है मतलब रेट ऑफ इंक्रीज इज जीरो. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि प्राइस गुड्स और सर्विसेज की प्राइस जीरो है. रेट इज जीरो मतलब जो है वहां से नहीं बढ़ चेंज नहीं हो रहा है, स्टेबल है. ओके, प्राइस स्टेबिलिटी. सो व्हेन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट इज 5%, इकोनॉमी अचीव्ड फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट. Unemployment rate is 5%. Economy achieved the price stability. Prices are stable. Why? Because rate of rise is zero. O matlab zero. OXY. Okay. So when rate of, and that is called natural rate of unemployment. अगर हम उससे कम करने की प्रयास करें, suppose economy, the country wants to reduce unemployment from 5% to 4%, obviously the rate of price rise will be 1. Price will increase by 1%. like 3% करना प्रयास करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 2%. So if society can tolerate 5% unemployment in the economy, the problem 5% in unemployment in the economy, the problem of inflation will not. Any efforts, जितना हम efforts करेंगे कि उससे ज्यादा उससे कम होगा, then the problem of unemployment arises. So any efforts to bring down the unemployment level below this level, below this point will result in inflation. Okay, now it can be obtained like this कि ऐसे भी हो सकता है this. So -1. If society can tolerate 6% of unemployment, तो प्राइस जितनी होगी उससे कम हो सकती है. This also can be explained with the help of this diagram. If 5% नेचुरल रेट ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, अगर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट और बढ़ जाएगा 5 to 6%, प्राइस जितनी है उससे भी कम हो जाएगी. ओके, इन शॉर्ट दिस कर्व एक्सप्रेसेस इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड inflation. Okay, now what is the conclusion of this lecture? That certain amount of unemployment is inevitable or essential for maintaining price stability in the economy, which is called natural rate of unemployment. In this context, Professor A.W. Phillips has tried to explain the relationship between unemployment and wage rate, or unemployment and inflation. There is an inverse relation, there is a negative relationship between unemployment and inflation. Okay, in our diagram, 5% rate of when rate of unemployment is 5%, annual price rise is zero, not price level is zero, annual price rise is zero. 5% से 4% हो गया, तो annual price rise will be 1%. Like this we can explain. Okay, in the reverse situation, if society can tolerate 6% of unemployment, price rise will be -1, मतलब price will fall. So Phillips curve expresses inverse relationship between unemployment and inflation. That's all for today. Thank you very much.